Hello friends, here in menu we can change same settings. For example, we go here, then here and read auto lock during driving. Turn off. Then long press of watch to down window. Turn off. Then long press or switch to up window. Long press to of smart key to down window. Turn off. You can either leave it as is or change it. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.